entertainment industry professionals began sharing their own abortion experiences across social media platforms in efforts to slam SCOTUS following the Supreme Court ruling to overturn Roe v. Wade last week. The decision made by SCOTUS on Friday effectively ended recognition of a constitutional right to abortion which has been in place since 1973, and gives individual states the power to allow, limit or ban the practice altogether. Dancing with the Stars pro Cheryl Burke called the ruling a personal attack while sharing her abortion story in a 3-minute-long TikTok. "I'm saddened by the Supreme Court's decision's right to overturn #Roe v. Wade that guarantees a woman's right to choose," she captioned the clip. "I am saddened by the news this morning, and it weighs heavy in my heart because I had an abortion when I was 18 years old, and if it wasn't for places like Planned Parenthood, I would be a mother," Burke told her followers. "I wouldn't have been a great mother, and I definitely wouldn't be sitting here with you today. I got an abortion while I was going through a really huge transition in my life," Burke, 38, added. "I was practicing safe sex, I was using protection, and I was on birth control and happens." The 38-year-old dancer was 2 weeks pregnant when she got the abortion, and recalled the trauma of seeing picketers holding up anti-abortion signs as she drove up to the Planned Parenthood clinic. "But on top of it all, the whole process is traumatic, and the fact that now you're making it illegal for us women to make this decision about our own bodies is absolute insanity. What world do we live in today?" she questioned. "It is nobody's business." Burke, who is in the midst of a divorce from estranged husband Matthew Lawrence, added that she is happy about her decision to end the pregnancy and has no regrets and no shame behind it. Alec Baldwin's daughter, Ireland Baldwin, shared her own experience with abortion, which began when she became pregnant while in an unhappy relationship. "He made it clear that he never wanted kids or marriage," the 26-year-old model admitted in a TikTok video posted on Sunday. "He barely wanted to be in a serious relationship. I chose to get an abortion because I know exactly what it felt like to be born between two people who hated each other," Baldwin said, referencing her father's tumultuous 9-year marriage to Kim Basinger and subsequent bitter divorce and custody battle. She added, "Could I have had that baby and put that baby up for adoption? Maybe, maybe not. But choosing to raise a baby without my own financial security, without a loving and supportive partner, that wasn't gonna work for me. I chose me, and I would choose me again. It's your life, it's your choice." Ireland also discussed being raped and reflected on how her life had spiraled out of control, and the difficulties that would have presented themselves had she been forced to raise a child. "I lost control of my life. I drank a lot more. I partied a lot more," she said in the video. "I self-medicated. I was in other abusive and toxic relationships. I pretty much did everything I could to distract myself." Seeing so many other brave women share their stories got me thinking what my life would have been like if I had become pregnant, and if I had to raise a baby during everything I was going through at the time. Meadow Walker, the daughter of late Fast Furious actor Paul Walker, reacted to the ruling on Friday by sharing that she had an abortion in 2020. "Today marks a huge setback in history of profound injustice to women across the United States. There are countless women who have struggled with making the decision to have an abortion," she wrote. "I too have battled with the choice, but in 2020, when the world was collapsing during the pandemic, I sought an abortion. It is a very private and personal experience, the way it should be." The model wrote, "I was lucky enough to have a great doctor who supported me through the debilitating process. With their help, I am able to be the happy and healthy person I am today." Meadow married actor Louis Thornton Allen in the Dominican Republic in October, and had one of her father's best friends, Vin Diesel, walk her down the aisle. Now, knowing even more women won't have the opportunity to seek safe termination and choose their bodies first is absolutely heartbreaking, she added in her post. In a world that constantly marginalizes females, this feels like the biggest assault of them all. Banning abortion doesn't end abortions, it ends safe abortions, Walker concluded. The June 24th vote won the support of 5 of the court's 6 conservative justices. Chief Justice John Roberts did not approve of ending Roe. Associate Justice Samuel Alito wrote the majority opinion, joined by Justices Clarence Thomas, Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh and Amy Coney Barrett. The majority has overruled Roe and Casey for one and only one reason: because it has always despised them, and now it has the votes to discard them, wrote Justices Stephen Breyer, Sonia Sotomayor and Elena Kagan in a joint, 59-page dissent. In overruling Roe and Casey, this court betrays its guiding principles. With sorrow, for this court, but more, for the many millions of American women who have today lost a fundamental constitutional protection, we dissent.